UMLA ka Congress na Maulai constituency uba proses ti Sawkmie uloong babun na ki kampenroy ki baga jela kayo menta ki dei ki balas dang ban pentre da ka Sorkar Congress menba kadang don hakabor bat menta na kaliang ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kelayo ya ka Jingmyntoi baro. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor na kaliang uba proses uloong baki kam Jingmyntoi haka jela la ka dei haka roy kapar haka jela lani ka Sdang ban persang ban penbet yuput usam hapdeng ka jela Assam bat Meghalaya dei hi ka belas dang da ka Sorkar Congress Henry menta ka Sorkar MDA kayo ka Jingmyntoi baro na ka jingtre sitom ka Sorkar Congress hakipor baladem. Ya kani uba PT Sawkmie ula keren dei hadin bakalami ke jingsha keno baka Sorkar Congress kamshim lala ban penbej yau put usam haka jela. Uba PT Sawkmie ulo ongru baka Sorkar MDA kabalaya lam da ka parti NPP kam dei ban klet iki senjam ki baka Sorkar Congress kalale bat ya kaba mentahi ka Sorkar MDA kayo lut iki Jingmyntoi naga jingtre sitom ka Sorkar kabaladem. Ulo ongru bahaki por baladep kapor baka Kongres kadangdon hakabor banyele ban penbet yuput usam hapedang ka jela Assam bat Meghalaya na kaliang gibor sensar ki julej ban jurep iki jaka khaput na kapor syakapor Henry ka dei tang na ka jingbamdon ka jingsimkhya na baro arliang kane kamat kelasyu sakut no. Habakran pat halor ka jing kendu jongki menteri rangba jongki ar jela kabalalong menta ka sengi ka khat ar tarik ukala lengkot ar hajar arpu ar hanong ba Guwahati ulo ong bakala bendon kano ka rai bakini ki menteri rangba kila banshim menta ka sengi Henry kane ka rai ki di banshim katkum ka jingtep ka babnia ya ka jinglong jingman bat ki deiru ban bishar bnia ya ka jing ai jingmut jongki briu ki badan benta lang shwa banshim ya kano ka rai. Shushu ula benrap ru bakarai bakin shim menta kasngi kadai banlong kabala ban pediang daki ar jela hakaba kanam kta eka jing sngo jongki nongsong snong na ki ar jela kata jongka Assam lani jongka Meghalaya.
This is the human thought, I must say, that sometimes that whatever that the previous government done, that this present government is forgetting, because I have only said to you that we cannot deny the fact that one after another government they have only been take initiative, even go on the border area, but it is very costly. At the time we miss it because lack of sincerity from both sides. That's why we cannot come to conclusion and take a final decision. You see, for that meeting which was held today in the government of Meghalaya and government of Assam, we expect that solution may take from both the state, but that it should be depend with the ground reality. Local people should take the confidence. Then like the headman, those who are the elders of the village, and even that KHDC should be taken into confidence. Then second to that, this issue is a long pending issue, but we cannot say that the previous government one after another they have only been initiated, but we have not reached up to that of the mark of the solution, come to understanding both the state. But now we are very much happy by seeing that both the state are very positive. But we expect the solution should be in the interest of both. Because when I'm talking about interest of both, we should not hurt the sentiment of the people of Assam, even the sentiment of the people of our state. Like I said, from time to time, this issue we have to deal very carefully, and very nicely, because this is a sensitive issue. You understand that my land should not go to others. Even others should not come to us. That is, I mean, our stand. Like we said from time to time, though there is some saying that Assam have been encroaches from time to time, but from our side, encroaches is not there. We stick our land.